guys, today I'll be showing you the unboxing of K8 model, Kangen K8. So we have just now received the Kangen from Blue Dart. Here you can see the box, they have put the address and they have put from where it has come, origin. So I've already cut this box, so you can see they are opening it. They have put one safety box here. Later inside you can see a proper K8 box. So you can take this out like this, where you may need a support to take this box out. And in this box you can see that this is K8 model, which is used in the 8 languages, and it is already you can see a label here. They have written the origin, company origin is Japan, manufacturing date is July 2020, and from where it has come, and address of Japan, and the cost MRP is also written on this label on the top. If you open this box K8, you can see directly the company has put some important form here. They have put one feedback form, which is very important for the customers. When we are installing the machine as a distributor, we should fill the customer's details and form and take his feedback and send it back to the company. So this is something new they have started, and then also they have put one cautions point. So these are very important. Before installing, we must read it, how much the company is recommending the TDS, and what are pre-filtration systems and different location in India, wherever you are putting this machine. So you should know all those points. So these instructions are very important before installing for anybody. Then they have some machine repair. The company itself is also asking, company is also taking a charge of repairs. So they have put their cost of deep cleaning and e-cleaning for the different models, Super 501 and SD501, JR and K8. So they have a proper instruction how this can be done through a checklist, which is there for machine repair instruction. Paper is there. Then they have one invoice. This invoice is also very important. We should keep it handy for the future references. The payment which you have done, 3,45,000. So everything is mentioned over here in the invoice, tax invoice. And then they have one instruction like a pamphlet over here, which tells you and briefs you about all the uses, different uses of water for 2.5 pH, 11.5 pH, and then duty water and all those things, how to use them, where to use them, and then different specifications and details of this K8 machine. Specifically, this is also very important. One must know and should by heart this details of standard specification of a machine, and they have different adapters over here, which will be inside the machine, and how to use these adapters. The proper instructions also given over here, and this is size and width and length of the machine also here. So these are the papers first we find. Then you have one quick guide for to tell you the names and the uses of adapters and different O-rings and installing the diverters directly into the tap. So India has a different system. Some places you will find a good tap connection you can put in the tap, or some are using pre-filtration system. So somewhere you may not require this system in India also. So this is proper guides over here, and yeah, this is a proper guide, do's and don'ts. And then you have a manual here. So this manual is in a different language: English, French, Danish, Chinese, Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese. So in a different language you have an instruction. So you have a deep cleaning procedures and e-cleaning procedures, and how to install, precautions, do's and don'ts, and different names of the spare part names and everything. So you can have a look whenever you need to know more about the machine performance. So this is a proper, and we should keep it handy. Along with that, this hard copy, they have given a soft copy in the CD drive. So you can put a CD so it can never get lost. It will be always remain there in the box. So I will always recommend not to lose this box, so things can be intact and kept here. So whenever you need to do cleaning or something, send this to the company. So you have this box, you can pack it up and wrap it and send it to the company. So never try to lose these boxes. And these are the adapters with the different O-rings. So this is the electrical connection, and this is another adapter. Can you put in the box? So this is another, kind of stainless steel wall cock is there. So you can use with the various connections, the various type of tap connections you have, different. And then the company is also sending you a pH litmus type paper which use and check your color and a pH of your water. But in fact, most of the time it has been found that it is not very much effective. But it is there, handy for you. Then if you open up this, you will find the company has given you electrolysis, one electrolysis enhancer. So it is sufficient for around 6 months or something, as depending on your use. So company is giving you initial for the use, and then the company is also giving you, this is the box where your cleaning and maintenance box is there. So here you will find cyclic powder, 6 sachets are there. So depending on use, generally we do the e-cleaning after every 15 days is recommended, depending upon the inlet quality water. So 6 sachets are there, so you can use it according to your need and your inlet quality water. So I believe that 6 months or 8 months it should be sufficient for any user. And then this is CPU, which is a cleaning unit. So we can blank the filter unit and do the cleaning part. And this is another box where you can put the e-cleaning powder, shake it, put it, insert this box into your K8 machine, and it will clean it. So this box you keep it safe and tidy. And this is a red. You have a red color. This blank. So it is for blanking your inlet side, so that machine can clean inside the plates. So these things you have to keep it safe every time after cleaning, and put it in the box, and after using put in the same bigger box. Now if we take out this K8 machine, so I'm trying to take out our so-called key. This is here. So now new K8 machine is being taken out. So I'm trying to show you how it looks like when it comes from the company. So this is the machine, and this is another hose here, and the rest nothing. It's all blank here. So we can keep it back, all these things. So we can keep this thing back here. And this is a hose. So this Kangen machine. So you can see that you can take it out. This hose, you can keep it here. So this machine is like this. So from here you get a Kangen water, and this is your hose for your inlet water, and this for your bleaching water hose. You will just be connecting it down later on here, and you start using it. So this is what about K8 model. So it's a full touch screen. You can see, if you can see that this is a full touch screen. When you put on the button, full touch screen. This is a gold seal tag is over here. Enagic logo is here, and this is a place where we put the box for cleaning. So this is a box. You take it out, and instead of that, we put that cleaning box here. So here we put electrolysis enhancer and insert it. So this is the way this is the machine looks like. So thank you guys. Hope you like the small videos, small building. So I was quite quick so that you can understand in a quick, shorter way how the unboxing of K8 Kangen Enagic machine is done. You will give me comments and one thumbs up. Thank you.